Right, so today we're gonna bring a emergency bag, and I actually bought this one a while back, but I've been adding things throughout years in making sure that things are gonna be usable still. So I got to make sure I replace the food, replace the water, replace the fans, the batteries, pretty much anything I have in here I have to replace every couple of years. You got to look into it. But I'm gonna show you what I have. All right. So in the bag, I got an emergency radio that's solar, hand crank, a couple of tools, rechargeable by hand or rechargeable by USB. That's handy. A water filter system, all right? This is a must for an emergency. And it comes with a bag that you can hang this upside down and it'll filter water. And then in case, it's reusable so many times too. So in case something happens, dirty water or anything, or even pool water, you could actually filter the stuff. Ready to eat meals, all right? These are gonna last you a couple years, and just make sure you constantly keep an eye on it. This is gonna expire 2026, so I'm gonna replace it soon. But a little bit of water in here, dehydrate it, brings it back up. And then, of course, I don't got one, I got two meals to retain water, hold water, take showers, or maybe drinkable water. Bit larger retainer, a battery used flashlight, which is going to be almost useless if you don't have batteries. And in this case, I don't have batteries. I just have the flashlight in case of emergency, in case there is batteries. This is an axe in case you have to cut down some woods or maybe sharpen certain things, or maybe even use it as an actual hammer too. A little small miniature emergency kit that has bandage and other stuff. This is a pot that you can use to heat up, and not only that, you can retain water and other substance in here. Another water filter. CPR, American Cross. They teach you a couple emergency techniques in case somebody needs some help. Water, drinkable water. Now this is one of my favorite things that I have not used for a while, but I did teach myself how to use it. And this is an actual stove on one. And of course, it's not made with fire or anything like that. It's just a little small stove that you put together, and it comes with the actual foldable part of it. All right, so this is a must. If you're ever going to travel, you go eat out of it. And also I have some wood that you can start fire, some little fire starters in here. That's going to be in here, that I put it in here for emergencies. And of course, I always keep this one because you can use it for anything. Not just for emergency pack, but you can take it camping. It's a great little item. And of course, it comes with attachable, retachable pots, all right? And underneath, I didn't mention it, but underneath is the actual stove. Metal stove that transforms into a flat surface, and then it becomes a square surface. So you can start burning and putting all your substance in there. So that's the first layer of the actual case that we filled up with stuff. And this is stuff that I'm going to line up and list if you guys ever need some of the stuff. Now here I have another larger emergency kit for larger wounds, all right? So I'm going to keep that one in here and close it back in there. That one's always necessary in case of emergency. Not only for emergencies out of the but in your house too. And then of course I have another bag in here that has nothing here. We still have another section full. So on the other section, I'm going to turn it around. This one right here, foldable. It has more meals ready to eat. More meals ready to eat. Night lights, these light sticks. I got a couple of them. More light sticks. Hand wipes, all right. Refreshable napkins, some gloves, some plastic to make shelter or maybe sleep on it, a knife, all right, this is an emergency knife. Here's the batteries for the actual flashlight I have. Duct tape is a must anywhere. Duct tape. These are silicone pots that you could heat up and reburn. Now, what I've seen is that people put in water and heat up rocks, and they put them in here, and they won't burn because it's silicone, right? Another emergency blanket. AM, FM, little tiny radio. Mask. This is a must. A poncho, all right? You carry it when it's raining. More light sticks, all right? Sleeping emergency blanket. And of course, I do have a whistle, emergency whistle. More of those cleaning wipes. Actually going to organize them a little bit more, better. That's another section. And we do have another section here that we're going to open up. This is a nice little addition that I added here a while back. 2 whistles with some hanging threads that you can use for fishing. Here, spoon / fork, but you get 2 of them. Another emergency blanket. This is an all-in-one tool. It has a Phillips, it has a cutter, some saw, and the fire starter kit. All right, this is a must. Put it back in there. Put it back in here. And that's pretty much what I have included in my arsenal here. It's for emergencies. I recommend you guys getting something like this. I call it the bug out bag. So, you know, that's what a lot of people call it, the bug out bag. But don't overdo it too. Delete the things that you don't need. Add the things that you need. We are a family of 5, so if I'm not gonna have enough for everyone in one backpack, but enough for a day at least to sustain us a day or 2, or maybe a week if we could stretch it out. I do have plenty of foods, also not only here but in another place, ready to go. So not only am I gonna grab this bag, but I'm also grabbing my meals ready to eat systems ready to go. Emergency bags, emergency water, and all that stuff ready to go. Even have an extra bag just ready to go for my pets, because I do have cats and dogs, and of course they're part of our family, so we're going to include them in our emergency plans too. Make sure you guys are ready for anything disaster happen. Have something similar, or even perform better tests than I do, and maybe add a checklist. I recommend you a checklist, because food does expire, and you want to make sure that you have that. Like every other emergency, you prep yourself, but this is something that I recommend everybody doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.